If you want to hide photos and videos on Realme 14T, then first of all we can open the Photos app. Now over here we can press and hold our finger on whatever we want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna select these photos over here. You can of course select videos as well. Then we have set as private over here at the bottom. So go over here, press OK. And there we go, we have moved everything to the private album. We can touch and hold the bottom bar or go to albums private. So this is what we're gonna do. So go to albums, scroll down, and over here we have private, verify self, and there we go. Here we have access to everything that we have hidden. If you use the Photos app by Google instead, then we can do pretty much the same thing. So we're gonna press and hold finger on the photos, whatever we want to hide, and then over here you should be able to find move to locked folder on the right side. So go over here, press continue, move, and there we go. Now in order to find it, go to collections, and you should be able to scroll all the way down to find locked. Verify yourself. We don't have to use backup, and there we go. We have hidden photos and videos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.